Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some Holman small parts bins, so let's get into it. All right, we have some nice, easy bins that we're going to be using on our Holman shelving. This is really an accessory that you can add to existing shelves. You'll see here it says Kargo Master on the box. Kargo Master and Holman are the same thing. They started out as Kargo Master, and then they just recently changed their name to Holman. And when I say recently, I mean over a year ago. There's just still some boxes and some literature and things like that that still say Kargo Master on it, but it's basically Holman and Kargo Master are the same thing. As I open up the top of this box, we have our nice little Kargo Master Holman warranty card. This has a 3-year warranty on it. Any manufacturer's defects or anything like that, you're covered. Thing you do need to make sure of is that you're buying this from an authorized reseller. If you aren't, you're kind of out of luck. So make sure you buy it from someone like upfitsupply.com. Make sure that you're covered there. We have a little bag of hardware here for something. And then we have our parts list right here. Not too much going on. The thing I like about Holman is really the top page of most of their installation instructions is the parts list, and there's a little quality control stamp on there. So they've gone through the box, make sure everything is there. It's kind of a plague in automotive parts industry is stuff missing from boxes and things like that. So they're trying to do their best to make sure that you're getting everything that you're supposed to get. As I open this, we've got some little yellow bins here in plastic. And I believe there are 6 of these in the entire kit. So, nice little plastic bin here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dividers. That's going to give you 3, 6, 7 locations for mounting things. And again, you can take them out if you need a bigger one and change how you want to do this. There are little like slots in here as well as on the front where you can label. So if you have a bunch of different fittings or a bunch of different hardware and you want to be able to label each one, they make it really easy to just slide in almost like a business card size piece of paper or something in the top of this to really up your level of organization in the van. So we got one of those unboxed. I'm going to leave the rest of them in the bags for now. Okay. Looks like they have the rest of this partially assembled. Pull this out. All right, so these were sitting on top of this and I just pulled them out. So here's your 6 bins here, small parts bins. So this is really set. There's a lip on the edge here so they don't come out. You know, you can't just pull this out. So as you're driving down the road, as you're in transit, these things aren't gonna be falling out and stuff going all over the floor. They're really set in place there. And once you mount this on a shelf, you're also gonna have, you know, the top part of a shelf here or the bottom part of a shelf here, you know, keeping these ones in as well. So not much is gonna be happening with these in transit. So 6 little slides here, pull them out, put them back in. And again, like I said, label, you know, places to put labels on the front of these bins. This is like a heavy duty plastic. This is not, you know, a thin piece of plastic here. It's got the PP, probably propylene. Trying to pronounce it correctly. Sorry if I butchered that, but a nice plastic there. You know, this is a injection mold, I'm assuming. So, you know, our thickness of the plastic is going to be different in different areas. But I'm just measuring the thickness of this plastic right here. About 4 millimeters thick. So this is a really tough and durable piece of plastic here that isn't just gonna fall apart and crack and you know, deteriorate on you very quickly inside the van. Now installation looks pretty simple. We have 2 bolts here. Gives you the installation instructions. We're gonna show you how to put this on a shelf in another video. But you know, everything that you need right here to install this on a shelf is provided. Like I said, there's like 3 pieces. There's this metal piece, these 6 bins, and your two button head screws and nuts. So pretty simple to put this on here. It looks like you just mount this to the bottom or top of a shelf, however you look at it, into 2 holes. And that's what you use these 2 bolts for, and it keeps it in place. Nice thing about Holman shelving is it's got holes pre-drilled on the shelf, so it makes it super easy to attach your accessories and stuff like this, whether you're putting on dividers or something like this, or a cabinet drawer, something like that. So it's super easy to install it, but you also get that freedom to put it wherever you want, drill your own holes, and put this on the shelf. Now, this steel piece is powder coated gray in the same color as the shelving and really all other Holman equipment. So their bulkheads and their hooks and their shelves and anything else that you're gonna get in the back of the van from Holman is gonna match. So it's gonna look like it all belongs. So nice powder coat finish here. This is a heavy duty unit here. I'm just trying to see if there's a weight on the side of this. Looks like 8.9 kilograms. I wish I could tell you what that meant in pounds, but I can't. So nice product here. If you're looking for this or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.